Good morning and welcome to the Morning Expresso by the Indian Express. My name is Rahil Philippos and here is today's big story. At a time when Union Minister of State Ajay Mishra's son Ashish Mishra's bail application is pending before the Allahabad High Court, the revamped special investigation team probing the Lakhimpur Kheri incident submitted that the killing of 4 farmers and a journalist on October 3rd was a planned conspiracy. The SIT sought to invoke fresh charges against the accused. Next up are our stories exclusive to the Indian Express. In our opinion section today, we have Professor Sanjay Barua writing about what the refugees of the 1971 war have to do with Indian politics today. You can check out his column in our e-paper or on the indianexpress.com website. And now for our stories from the front page. With the opening of schools across the country underscoring the need for a vaccination drive for children, Covishield manufacturer Serum Institute of India CEO Aadar Poonawalla has said that the SII is planning to launch a vaccine for those under the age of 18 all the way down to 3 within the next 6 months. In other news, modifying its own order, the Supreme Court has allowed the widening of 3 hill stretches in Uttarakhand from the prescribed 5.5 meters for the carriageway to a 7-meter double-line carriageway. The top court accepted the Ministry of Defence's arguments that the roads were of strategic importance and may be used by the armed forces for the movements of both troops and ammunition. Speaking of roads, the lack of progress in rural roads projects in Bihar has become the source of conflict between NDA allies BJP and JDU, which run a coalition government in the state. The issue led to a face-off between the MPs of the two parties in Lok Sabha, with both sides taking swipes at one another recently. Now for our must-reads. Congress President Sonia Gandhi met several senior leaders of some opposition parties, including NCP Chief Sharad Pawar, in a bid to send out the message that she is serious about keeping opposition parties together. But one party was noticeably absent from the meeting. Sources said that the Trinamool Congress was not invited. The Congress meeting comes at a time when the TMC and the AAP are knocking on its turf in many states, including poll-bound Goa. The committee to revise the National Curriculum Framework has decided to set up a 6-member mandate group to issue guidelines on the way to introduce various elements of the new education policy. Of the 6 members in the proposed mandate group, there will be 3 members of the steering committee, while the remaining 3 members will be domain experts. The team will be saddled with the responsibility of providing clarity to states on how to implement larger ideas of the NEP. A contentious proposal to authorize the UN Security Council to discuss climate change related issues was rejected on Monday after veto-wielding Russia and India voted against it. The draft resolution, piloted by Ireland and Niger, has been several months in the making and sought to create a formal space in the Security Council for discussions on climate change as well as its implications for international security. We explain the UNSC's role in such issues as well as why the proposal was opposed. On Monday afternoon, Constable Shafiq Ali got on the phone with his daughter and told her that he would be coming home in 5 or 6 days. Barely 2 hours later, his family heard that he was one of the victims who was killed by militants on a bus in which he was traveling along with other personnel of J&K police. A recent investigation has found that the attack was planned and carried out after a recce was conducted in the area. Former Indian team batsman Mohammad Kaif recounts the time when KS Bharat, who has something of a Virender Sehwag of the South reputation, took on a Gujarat quartet of medium pacers including Jasprit Bumrah and RP Singh. And that's all for today's Morning Express. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the Indian Express's YouTube channel for the latest news updates.